Hi guys, so today I want to show you how I use one of my favorite masks. Okay, so now I'm looking at it, I realized I should have shown you in like the bottle before it's opened, but this is my personal one. It's already halfway. I'm not sure if you can see, and yeah, I really like this mask. Firstly, because first of all, I don't have any makeup on my face. I hope you can see that. I just washed my face and I allowed it to dry for 5 minutes because you have to use this mask dry. So I like this mask. It is an exfoliating peel. When you read exfoliating peel, you might not think mask originally, but it's actually a mask. You're meant to use it 2 times a week. But I use a couple of other different masks for other different things. So I use this just once a week. I have been using this once a week since I got back from summer. That was in like September. And it's been good to my skin. During Christmas, I slacked a bit because of Christmas rocks. Sorry. But yes, so I'm just going to show you guys real quick. Nothing fancy. I haven't masked in 2 weeks actually. And I was like, okay, I need to mask. And I thought, okay, why not show you guys, especially since a lot of you have been asking me what I use on my skin. So I'm actually going to show you guys the process of how I do it. You can see it's like red. Some people confuse it for the vampire facial, but it's not a vampire facial in any way. It's very easy, very simple. Just make sure your face is dry and free from anything. Yeah. So it does sting a bit, but I've used it a couple of times, so I'm pretty used to it now. It does sting a bit. It's already started to sting me. It's called the BHA peeling solution. Because I have dark lips, I put on my lips sometimes. Because I have spots on my neck, I put it on my neck all the time. Oops, so I think about 3 to 4 drops should be good for your whole face / neck. Put some on my ear, just like the side of my ear. Yeah. So I'm going to wait for about 10 minutes with this on my face. Sometimes I do 15. It just depends on how I feel my skin has been acting, how I feel, what I'm going to do for the next week. If I know, okay, I'm going to do a facial soon, I'm not going to do too much. If I know, okay, no time, and maybe I have like so many things to do, I don't have time for makeup, I know I need my skin to be looking on point a lot, I will wait it out for like 15 minutes. It does sting. It stings. It stings. I don't know how much I can emphasize that, but yeah, so I'm drinking this my juice. I just got it from this girl that sold it, and I was actually telling her that I was thinking about her, like I think on Sunday. But yeah, so actually I'm not trying to talk too much, but juice is very good for your skin. Not chirita, not, I don't know, healthy juice. This is beetroot, ginger and pineapple. I don't want to talk too much, but now I'm going to go wait for about think I've done like 2 minutes now. I'm going to wait for 8 more minutes and I'm going to come back and I'll show you guys my face.